Hi, my name is Kaushik Ghatak and I focus on customer excellence for digital technology providers. I have had long stints with technology leaders such as IBM, SAP, Oracle. I also picked up my consulting DNA during the early years of my career with PwC. In terms of my current, the kind of work that I do, I've helped technology providers in strategy formulation around sales, around go-to-market, around product development. I also work with the sales teams to help them understand their customer context better and be able to articulate the business value of the products that they are selling. And I find that as a key gap even now with the customers I work with, and taking them through that journey from a product to solutions focus is a journey I really enjoy. I'm also an educator and I do a lot of executive development workshops with large corporates. And I teach as visiting faculty with SMU and NTU in Singapore and IIMs in India.